How's it going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Quiz Trades. Happy Friday. I hope y'all had a good week. Today I'm just gonna do a full first week of March trade recap. I'm gonna just do it on a clean chart because this shit's pretty messy. Um, so yeah, I know I just did a trade recap for I think Tuesday, but I'm just gonna do a full first week. And kind of just break it down pretty quickly. So the first thing, identify what we're trading out of. So what high time frame model we're trading out of. So we have this weekly sweep going into March. So we have this weekly sweep. We're holding this weekly order block. Again, we're trading out of this monthly, yearly SMT type shit. So I'm bearish. We have these targets right here. And then we have these week lows as well. And then we have monthly lows for February. So again, because February took out January low and closed through it, we're targeting February low, meaning we're bearish, right? Pretty simple. So Monday opens, we instantly open and we take out 1 week low and we basically edge this other week low. We then pull back up into equilibrium of this range that we created. All right, so we pull into equilibrium as you can see there. And we sweep previous day high. So that previous day high sweep is just the fractalization of this weekly sweep. So that means, we have our previous day high sweep, we're in equilibrium, and we're in this order block, right? This whole candle is our bearish order block. So Tuesday was our entry, or like our distribution day. I didn't have my account ready in time, unfortunately, so I wasn't actually able to catch this. But it was a very clean trade, right? And that's kind of why Tuesday moved so efficiently, because the model was put in here and then it was fractalized here. We got a 1 hour change in state here, and we actually didn't get any retracements or anything. We just straight dumped. And then going into Wednesday and so forth. So we had swept these. Fuck me. Hold on. We had swept this weekly low. And we SMT'd, right? Because ES took out February low already. So then that caused Tuesday, Wednesday, or like latter half of Tuesday and Wednesday to be bullish. So, it could have been longs here. I just didn't take any longs. Because again, I didn't have my account ready. But what we do, post standard deviation like this. It's kind of a lot. Just like that. So Wednesday, bullish, right? We're trading out of this high time frame model. Thursday, we then come up, we sweep previous day high once again. We're back in this order block. I kind of hesitated on this trade, or not hesitate, I just didn't go in with as much size as I wanted to because we didn't pull into equilibrium. Wait, say swear we did. No, we didn't. Okay. I fucked up. I fucked up. Oh my god. I thought this was February high. Fuck. Well, looks like I was wrong. This completely fucked my trade up. Holy shit. Well, we did pull into equilibrium of month high. Fuck. Well, at least now it's confirmed that we're going to distribute a lot lower. Well, okay. Anyways, we did pull into equilibrium of the entire month range of February. We pulled into OTE as well on this weekly range. And we got this 4 hour change in state when we closed through this. Wait, what is this pulled from real quick? Damn, that's the whole range. Shit, that fucked me up bad. Oh, okay, well then we got this 4 hour change in state. And then we refractalized the model. We had another SMT at New York Open with London High. And then we dumped very nicely. We didn't take out Wednesday low. We actually held equilibrium of this internal weak range, as you can see. And then Friday opened, came back up, pulled back into this change in state level, and dumped once again. I actually took longs at New York Open, and I actually got stopped out because we got a SMT with Wednesday low. And I had taken longs because we got a 5-minute change in state once we closed through this. So I had taken longs on this candle once we pulled back into it, and I had stops here. I got stopped out by half a tick, and then we ripped up into, where's 530? I'm confused. Why is NQ different? What the fuck is happening? What? Okay, well, there's some type of Oh no. Okay, it took us a minute. Never mind. I was gonna say there's some type of fucking mistake. But we pulled into 8:30 open, or sorry, 5:30 open. So yeah, I took longs out of here. I'm still thrown off that we actually did pull into fucking equilibrium. Holy shit. I sold, bro. Well. Shit. So this level I pulled was wrong. Fuck. Now you can see how silly mistakes kind of fuck up everything, right? Because I thought I was 70 points away, and I thought we were going to come a little higher, so I had limits set right here. But it looks like we perfectly pulled into equilibrium. Like, perfectly, mind you. But yeah, Thursday was just a very clean model. Out of this whole week, Thursday was perfect. You can see we don't even close through, we just wicked. But yeah, Thursday was the main trading day. We have, like, this is going to flush now. This is going to flush to all my TPs. There'll definitely be another entry next week, right? Next week high, we'll probably pull into some level of equilibrium on a range, which I'm going to try to catch. I had actually taken profits a little early. Once again, it's just a bad habit I have. And I was actually talking to ChatGPT about it, like, where does it come from? You know, there's just a lot of identity issues that are embedded into the psychology part of trading. Because if it was as simple as just systematic trading, your model has a 90% win rate, that means you're going to have a 90% win rate. Trading would be a lot easier, right? Trading is simple, right? Follow the system, that win rate will be yours. But because we're humans, right, we have fight or flight modes, we have psychological issues, we have all these things embedded into the complexity of a human. That's what knocks off the win rate for real. Because now I'm thinking, damn, we're gonna come a little higher. New York started ripping bullish. Let me take profits early. Let me do this. All that throws off the win rate. All that throws off the percentage of the model to the precision that it can actually perform at, right? Because this model has a very high win rate percentage when you put it together. When you execute it properly. But when you do dumb shit like I do, then the win rate goes down a lot. But yeah, pretty simple week. 2 main trades Tuesday, trading off of the daily function of this weekly model, right? The fractalized aspect. And then Thursday, the retracement, full clean model, equilibrium of a month range, OTE of an inner week range. We have this daily order block. We have previous day high. We have lows that are clear draws. Everything just performed well. Even Friday pulled into this change in state level to the tick and performed very well. So yeah, we even pulled into standard deviation perfectly. Everything just meshed well together. But yeah, first week back trading futures obviously had psychological issues that I'm glad I identified early in. So, moving forward, I'm going to make sure that none of it gets in the way so my performance can be at the actual potential it should be at. Other than that, quick video. I am getting off work. Got off work 10 minutes ago. Just wanted to get in a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys have a good weekend. If you have any questions, drop them below. Comments, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.